Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. Today I wanted to make a really quick video for those of you guys living in and around the Purcellville area. We get a lot of calls at our store about do we do work in this area, do we service vacuums, what do we repair, this and that. The answer to all those questions is yes. We do service everybody in and around this Purcellville area. We're a quick drive right up Route 7 to 15 to right to our store. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. We have lots of convenient and easy parking at our location. We do work on all vacuums from Dyson, Bissell, Hoover, Ork, Electrolux, Miele, Shark, you name it. If it's a vacuum, a shampooer, cordless vacuum, robotic vacuum, we do it all. Basically, the repair process is simple. There's no appointment needed. We are open 7 days a week to handle all repairs. We're open from Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, and Sunday 11 to 5. We do offer same-day repairs, so if you're looking to get a vacuum done that same day, let us know ahead of time. Most of the common issues that we see that we can do same-day repairs on are loss of suction or no suction, burning smells, rollers not spinning, vacuums not picking up dirt, it's not turning on. A lot of these are just really common issues that we can fix and get them done within the same day. Sometimes if there are parts that need to be ordered, it takes 1 to 2 business days, and then we get the parts. Once you approve the work and the estimate, we'll get them put on for you. The warranty process is a little bit different, not much, it's basically the same, but all you have to do is just bring in your proof of purchase and give us some basic information when you come in. We'll submit the claim for you for whatever parts are needed. Once it's approved from the manufacturer, we get the parts, we put them on, and we'll give you a call or text and let you know when it's ready. We also do central vac systems. So if you have a central vac system in your home and it's not working, it's not picking up, no suction, give us a call. We'll send a tech out to take a look at it for you. If you want to update your home central vac system, we can also do that. We sell all the attachments, the tools, and all that type of stuff. So we do sales on lots of different vacuums from Miele, Riccar, Simplicity, Dyson, Shark. We have a lot of different brands that we sell here in our store as well too. If you guys are in need of vacuum repairs in and around the area, stop by and see us here at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. Thanks, guys.